Friday this week is after 2 days. Our MP and flag bearer passed on, and the burial took place on Sunday. Picking forms does not qualify one straight away as a candidate. Picking forms is a sign that you have accepted to go through the conditions, and once you satisfy those conditions, we shall then nominate you. And the most important of the conditions set, one must be an NRM supporter, must be 18 years and above, and must have the requisite academic qualifications, O level and A level, or their equivalents, if it is attained outside Uganda. So far, the people who have picked forms include the following: Wanyana Esther Elizabeth participated in the primaries and again picked forms to express interest.